Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy Indian style mushroom sandwich recipe, ideal as a meal any time of the day in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. For the sandwich recipe, I'm using 200 grams of oyster mushrooms. So what I've done is I have chopped the oyster mushrooms roughly. I'm heating my kadai with 1 tablespoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Instead of wood pressed groundnut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood pressed oil of your choice or even A2 desi ghee or butter. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. Once the jeera splutters, I'm adding in 6 to 7 garlic cloves finely chopped. Give it a stir and allow the garlic cloves to turn light golden brown in color. This will also help to infuse the oil with the amazing flavor of garlic. Once the garlic starts to turn light golden brown in color, add in 1 onion finely chopped, half teaspoon sea salt or as needed, and give this all a good mix. Allow the onions to turn transparent or light pink in color. Once the onion starts to turn transparent, I'm adding in the chopped oyster mushrooms, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder or as needed, and give this all a good mix. Cover and allow the mushrooms to get cooked. A couple of minutes later, open the lid, and as you can see, once the mushroom starts to get cooked, moisture will start to release out. I'm going to give this a good mix and allow the mushrooms to get thoroughly cooked. Another 3 minutes later, open the lid and give it a good stir. At this stage, the mushrooms are cooked and the moisture has evaporated. Add in some coriander leaves, give it a good stir and turn off the flame. Allow the mushrooms to cool down completely. Now the best thing about this mushroom filling is that you can make ahead this filling, cool it down completely and then store it in an airtight glass container in the refrigerator, and it will stay good for up to 4 days. This way, this is an ideal way to meal prep. To make green chutney for the sandwich, into my chutney grinder, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons water, squeezing in half a lemon, half a handful of mint leaves, 1 handful of coriander leaves. Note that I am also adding in the stalks of the coriander leaves. The stalks will give an amazing flavor to the green chutney, so try not to skip it. Half-inch ginger finely chopped. I'm using 3 green chilies. This is a local variety green chili known as Kandhari Molag, also known as peri peri chili in English. So this is relatively spicier than ordinary chili and it is small in size as well. So I'm adding in 3 small peri peri chilies or Kandhari Molaga. You can increase or decrease green chilies as per your taste. Half teaspoon jeera powder, also known as roasted cumin powder. Half teaspoon sea salt. Half teaspoon black pepper powder. And now I'm going to blend all this really well to make into a smooth green chutney. And my green chutney is ready. I'm going to transfer this to a small container. This green chutney also will stay good in the refrigerator for a couple of days. For the sandwich, I'm using 2 slices of the sourdough bread. Spread green chutney on 1 slice of the bread. Place the mushroom fillings on top, about 2 tablespoons or as needed, and spread it all over the bread slice. Spread some green chutney on the other slice as well and cover it with the other slice. Lightly press it down. To toast the bread, you can use a cast iron grill pan like I'm using today, or you can use a cast iron tawa. I'm drizzling in little bit of wood pressed groundnut oil, or you can use A2 desi ghee instead. Grease the cast iron grill pan and place the sandwich bread on top. I like to keep something heavy like a skillet on top of the bread slice. This will help to seal the filling and also helps to toast the bread evenly. 2 to 3 minutes later, remove the skillet from top and carefully flip it over. Place the skillet back on top and allow it to toast that side as well. Once that side is done, remove the skillet from top, carefully flip it over. And my super healthy Indian style mushroom sandwich is ready to serve. See how crunchy this sandwich is. I like to slice the sandwich just before serving. And my super healthy mushroom sandwich is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy mushroom sandwich and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.